Rais for Bumble Hair. I just have one word for the photograph. Hot.
Thank you. You make me shy. Thank you.
But could you talk to us about, shooting for that photograph?
Dabu always at the end of the year calls upon me and tells me I'll take only 10 minutes, and then he comes out with a concept that he wants me to do. Last time he had, I think I was shooting an ad for somewhere near Film City at 3 in the morning, and he came and he put some water on my shirt. So I think he just makes me look good. So and he makes it very painless and very simple. So he just got me a vest, and Manisha tore it a little, and she just put it on, and
Maybe for ripping his clothes
yeah,
off
she's
all the
always
time.
ripping my clothes off. Yeah.
All right, Rais is looking absolutely fantastic. The song Zalima, I mean, we can't get enough of it.
Thank you.
Can you talk to us about, the song?
Yeah, I think all the songs are very situational. The film is very gritty and realistic, but obviously we want to have a mix of a little bit of commercialism in a realistic, gritty film. The topic is very different from what I've done, and yeah, the songs will add. What I feel is there is a bit of romance in the film, and I think the songs are very important to kind of bring all that alive, because it's not a romantic film. It's a story of a 7-year-old kid who grows up to be 45. So it's kind of a journey. So yeah, it was very important to get a love song right, or maybe even the storytelling song which Sunny has done. And I'm so glad that everybody seems to be liking it. I didn't realize actually they would like it so much. So I'm just very relieved and happy that people like it.
And nobody romances like Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, that I can tell you, nobody does now. Nobody can, and nobody ever will.
All right, and lastly, of course, the look is very tough. It's like badass. Do we get to see Shah Rukh in his, bad avatar, so to speak?
I don't know.
We love it.
I know. I didn't realize that wearing coal will make me look tough. But yes, when I used to go on the sets, everybody used to say that you look very intimidating and very scary. I didn't think so. I think coal is to make eyes pretty. So I guess it did, and I hope he's kind of badass, and he's really a mean guy. And now when you ask me like this, I feel very shy, because I'm like, listen, I don't look tough enough or what?
No, of
with
course
all my.
not.
But yeah, he is very mean, and he has a certain grain of goodness also. But I'm glad people think I'm looking tough. It's been years still, and I'm trying to look tough. They always tell me I'm this lover boy and romantic, so I'm happy that I look macho. At least my elder son will feel I'm cool. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much,
Thank you, Lassie.
and all the very best for Rais. It'll be a super hit.
Thank you. You're kind.
Thank you.